Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the gifts option on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, explore, reels, and lastly here, you're going to find the profile icon. If you click on it, you're going to be here on your profile page. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, in order to enable the gifts option on Instagram is go into your Instagram account settings. In order to do that, just click on the icon in the top right corner, and then you're going to be right here. And then you need to search for payments method. So just scroll down until you find orders and payments. Click on it, and then here you're going to find payments methods. Go ahead and click on it, and then make sure you add a payment method. And then once you add your payment method, all you need to do, guys, right now is post a reel or something. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So once you add your reel, go ahead and click on next like this. And then right here in this list, just scroll down and then you're gonna be able to uh, find the gift option. As you can see, guys, I don't have it right now because I don't have a added payments method to Instagram. If you added it, you're gonna find it right here. And if you don't find it, even if you added your payment method, that means that the gift option is not available on your region. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.